Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these cute tea bag bookmarks. For this craft you will need some felt sheets. I'm using soft felt along with some stiffer felt. You will need some thread and some embroidery thread, a needle and a pair of scissors. I'm going to draw a tea bag shape. I'm going to cut this out now. I'm going to cut another one out like this. I'm going to cut a small rectangular shape and I'm going to cut another one like this. This is going to be the tags for the tea bag. Now I'm going to cut out two leaf shapes from these stiffer green felt sheets. I'm going to now sew these two leaf shapes onto one of the tea bags. I'm now going to use some embroidery thread to sew some star shapes onto the tea bag. I have threaded my needle with some dark green thread and I'm going to use this to do a blanket stitch to sew both these pieces together. Make sure to leave a tiny opening at the top to place your string in later. I'm going to sew the tags now. Firstly, I'm going to take some embroidery thread and embroider the word tea onto one of the tags. I'm now going to push some string into the opening of the tea bag. I'm going to sew both the tag pieces using a blanket stitch. I'm going to add a little bit of PVA glue to make sure that the string stays inside and doesn't fall out. I also made another tea bag from different coloured felt. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button to stay tuned for more crafty videos like this. Thank you for watching.